In part picking applications, speed and accuracy are critical, but manual picking processes are often slow and mistakes can happen. From assembly and kitted solutions to large-scale deployments, pick-to-light solutions from Banner Engineering help operators pick faster and more accurately. Pick-to-light devices use bright, colorful light to identify which bin to pick from, and then verify the correct pick with integrated sensors or touch buttons. If an incorrect pick is ever made, the device alerts the worker so the mistake can be corrected immediately. Pick-to-light frees production workers' attention to focus on production quality and speed. In kitting applications, pick-to-light helps workers spend less time searching rows of bins and more time assembling kits. Some pick-to-light devices feature programmable secondary buttons. When a worker notices a bin is getting low, they can immediately request a parts refill before the bin runs out. Elsewhere in the factory, wireless pick-to-light options enable quick response to calls for parts. Plus, wireless devices are not limited by wired infrastructure, making them ideal for use on mobile workstations and carts. The same pick-to-light devices can be used as a put-to-light system that indicates where to place stock on shelves, enabling quick and accurate restocking. In order fulfillment applications, pick-to-light solutions enable fast and accurate shipments, which improves customer satisfaction, bolsters brand reputation, and maximizes profits. Increase pick efficiency, reduce the risk of human error, and ultimately save time and costs with pick-to-light solutions from Banner Engineering.